everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this half granny square that is the same size with the granny square and the granny triangle. You can find the tutorial of granny square and the granny triangle by the click on the link that I placed for you on the screen. Let's get started. Start with magic ring or make a slip knot on the hook and make 4 chain and join with the slip stitch to the first chain and make a ring. Here is our little ring, and then make 3 chain and 1 double crochet in the circle. Then make 3 chain as a first corner and then make 3 double crochet in the center and 2 and 3, and then make 3 chain as a second corner and then make 1 double crochet and a 1 double crochet again, but don't complete it. And with the second yarn complete the double crochet and then make 3 chain and 1 double crochet in the same place that we made 3 chain. Flip your work and make a double crochet in the same place that we made 3 chain and then make 3 double crochet in the corner space, chain 3 space that we made, and then make 3 chain and again make 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space, 2 and 3. In the next space, chain 3 space, make 3 double crochet, 2, 3, 3 chain and 3 double crochet in the same space, on the make 1 double crochet in the third chain and again 1 double crochet in the same chain, and don't complete it. Complete it with the next color and then make 3 chain, flip your work and make 1 double crochet in the same space, and in the next space make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. In the next space between the 3 clusters, make 3 double crochet and 3, and in the next corner in the chain 3 spaces make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. And in the end make 1 double crochet in the chain 3 and again 1 double crochet in the chain 3, but don't complete it. We have 2 loops on the hook. Complete it with the next color and make 3 chain, flip your work and then make 1 double crochet in the same space and make 3 double crochet in the next space before the first clusters and then make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet in the corner, in the chain 3 spaces, 2 and 3, and make 3 double crochet in the each next 2 spaces between the clusters, 2 and 3, and another one, make a 3 double crochet in it. Again, in the corner, in the chain 3 spaces, make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And in the next space between the 3 clusters, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 2, and 3, and make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain. In the end, here, make 1 double crochet, and again 1 double crochet, and don't complete it. Bring the next yarn and complete it, and go along by the pattern. You can make this half granny square as big as you want. You don't have to change the color if you want, and you can just keep going along. I'll make a few rounds more, and I'll back and show you my work. I received the end of my last row of the half granny square. This is the last stitch, the last double crochet, complete it, cut the yarn, and I must hide all of these tail of the yarns, make a knot by all of them, and then secure it by the needle between the stitches, and then cut it by the scissors. Hide between the stitches like this. Don't push too hard the needle. Move so softly between the stitches and fasten off and cut the yarn. Look. And another one. Hide them very carefully. Okay. I'll hide all of the tail of the yarns and back. Here is my half granny square. That's how I make it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please let me and comment below. And if you would like to subscribe, that would be helpful. And please hit the notification bell so you never miss a crochet tutorial from me. Love you guys. Happy crocheting. Goodbye.